Hello friends, first write down number 6, make circle, petals, fill all these petals, dot inside this center of circle. Now mirror image of number 6, again circle, start making petals, fill all these petals, similarly from this point again create number 6, make center circle, start making petals. Total 5 petals we need to create. Fill all these petals. Now from here again mirror image of number 6, make circle, petals, fill all these petals, from here number 6, make petals, make center, start making petals, fill all these petals. Now the very last one, number 6, make center circle, start making petal, fill all these petals. Okay, now after this redraw all these shapes again in order to make this smooth. Now afterwards we are going to add leaf. In each corner add such leaves pattern. Here also we will add here add one more leaf. Similarly here also space is there, so we will add one more leaf. So according to the space you have to decide number of leaves. This is a very simple form of mehndi design. Now we are going to fill these leaves completely with henna paste. Some leaves you can fill like this. Similarly here also. Now after this we will put some dots, combination of 3 dots. So as you can see, we have created this floral strip mehndi design with a very simple techniques. Just write down number 6 and at the end of number 6 make this flower. Again reverse mirror image of number 6. At the end point again create flower. Similarly first create floral pattern, then add leaves, both side add leaves with these 2 patterns.